Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I have for you tasty, crunchy, bacon-wrapped Jalapeño Poppers. Let me show you how to do it. Hey guys, Jalapeño Poppers are made using jalapeños and we fill them with cream cheese, sharp cheddar and spicy jalapeno jam. Basically these things come out absolutely amazing. If you don't like spicy food, I would say give it a pass, but if you like spicy, this is full of flavor, it's absolutely amazing. So these things are quite easy to do and you can do it ahead of time and just leave it in your fridge until you're ready to grill it and serve it. It's perfect, it's a perfect treat for a tailgate, for barbecue in the park, or for your next dinner party. Let me show you how to do it. When you cut the jalapenos and take out the seeds, please be very careful. I highly recommend you wear gloves and you don't touch your face, scratch your eyes or your nose. These things are very spicy and if it gets into your eyes, it will burn. When making the fillings for the jalapeno poppers, be creative and come up with something that you like. I was trying to get a nice combination of flavors from the cream cheese, the jalapeno jam, as well as the sharp cheddar. When you are buying the jalapenos, select the bigger ones. It's easier to stuff them with a filling and wrap them in bacon. You don't need to use any toothpicks when you're wrapping the bacon around the jalapenos. I would recommend don't buy thick cut bacon. Buy the regular one. It's much easier to pull and stretch it and it will just stick to itself and the jalapeno. Low and slow is the secret to grilling jalapenos. It takes as long as it takes. You want the bacon to be nice and crispy and ideally the jalapeno not completely cooked through so that it's not too soft or mushy. I have found that about 275 degrees is a good temperature. Alright guys, look at this. It took us about 30 to 35 minutes. We're cooking at a slow temperature of 250, 275. Basically what I was trying to do is, trying to not burn the jalapeno popper, so look at the back, it's nice and crunchy, but also crunch up the top a little bit. That's kind of the secret, in the past I've gone a little hot and fast and I've burned the bottom, the top wasn't crunchy yet, so definitely low and slow is the way to go on this one, take your time. You see how the bacon came out nice and crunchy, cheese melted. Yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice. Let's try it, shall we? Very nice. Oh no, this is good. The perfect hint of spicy. Really nice. So the jalapeno actually cooked really well, but it's still crunchy, like we didn't overcook it. All the cheese melted, the bacon is nice and crunchy and cooked, and it's this like flavor explosion in your mouth. You get hit with the bacon, the cheese melts in your mouth, and even the jalapeno, the spiciness and the crunchiness is all there. Yep, it's the perfect treat. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed our episode, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And try it out at home. I would love to hear from you guys how it works for you. What's your favorite recipe? Your favorite take on the jalapeno popper? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much, and see you next week. Thank you.